Good morning friends. Welcome to today's class. Let's start the day's class with the thought. All knowledge depends upon the calmness of mind. Today we will be discussing a brief of the practical examinations for final board exams. Here the details goes. So we have covered the spotting items under the heading specimen identification and comments on the features or parasitic adaptations of various pathogens and slides. Total 14 items are covered with the slides as under tears of testis, ovary, blastula, entamoeba histolytica causing amoebiasis, plasmodium vivax causing malarial parasites, microsporum andoni causing ringworm infection, pollen grain germination permanent slide, meiosis grasshopper testis, mitosis onion root with different stages, Ascaris lumbricoides causing ascariasis, leguminous root nodule and the rhizobium bacteria for the symbiotic relationship, seed sample for Mendelian ratio counting and identifying the ratio of monohybrid phenotypic ratio. Similarly, pedigree chart for identifying the sex-linked dominance or autosomal dominant or recessive traits with examples, and homologous and analogous organs. A brief of the exam pattern is given here. It consists of 3 hours 30 marks, one method experiment, DNA isolation for 5 marks, minor experiment, population density and frequency for 4 marks, slide preparation of pollen tube germination or onion root presentation for 5 marks, spotters for 7 marks, record and viva for 4 marks, project and viva 5 marks. So we have dealt with each experiment and specimen identification of the spotters by writing the reflections and your experiences. Okay, so be thorough with that. Wish you all the best for board exams. Thank you. Have a nice day.